Today we are going to discuss about Introduction of Coordinate Geometry, Chapter 7. Observe. First one, distance between P and Q. What? We are having 2 points, P and Q. Coordinates of P are what? X1, Y1, and coordinates of Q are what? X2, Y2. Then distance between P and Q will be what? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? Once we are having 2 points, we want to find the distance between them, then we will use distance formula. And distance formula is what? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? But distance from the origin. Second one is what? Distance of a point from the origin. We are having one point P. We want to find its distance from the origin. We know well coordinates of origin what? 0, 0. X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is what? 0. And P coordinates we are having x comma y, then distance OP will be what? In the distance formula, we are putting what we are putting? This one O is taking as what? X1, Y1 and this one is X2, Y2. Then we are getting what? Square root of x square plus y square. Clear? So distance of a point from the origin will be what? Square root of x square plus y square. Clear? Now next one, the coordinates of the point P. What? Coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining the points A and B internally in the ratio of m1 is to m2. What? We want to find coordinates of a point P, and this point P dividing this line segment AB in m1 is to m2. A coordinates we are having, B coordinates we are having. Clear? And internally ratio, this point P is dividing in m1 is to m2. This ratio we are having, then we will use section formula. So m1 coordinates of P will be what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided of m1 plus m2, and y coordinate will be what? m1 y2 plus m1 y1 divided of m1 plus m2, and this one is called what? Section formula. Once this P point is what? Mid of this line segment. What? P is mid of this line segment, then ratio will be what? 1 is to 1. Once we put the values of m1 and m2 what? 1, then we are getting midpoint of this line segment. Then midpoint formula will be what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? In this chapter we are having these main formulas. First one is the distance formula, second one is the section formula. Clear? So distance formula, we can find the distance between 2 points joining, and we are getting line segment, then distance of that line segment will be find by using distance formula. Clear? This one is the distance formula. Once we are having ratio and we want to find ratio, in ratio we are having, we want to find that point, then we will use what? Section formula. And midpoint of line segment will be what? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Clear? So these are important formulas we are using in this chapter. I hope you understand this introduction of coordinate geometry. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.